Wongerereku wa ciana cia thukuru kwiruta MUOYO mwena wa Naivasha kaunti-ini ya NAKURU no ithete na mbere na gutumura hahu kuona ikoretwo ikiongerereka o gwakia. Kuringana na Lydia Jegolia ni mutafariri wa ugima mwega wa meciria kaunti-ini ya NAKURU, ciiko ici iraumana na mathina ma kifamily o undu umwe na uhuthiri wa ndawa cia kurebia.
Mental illness cuts across. There are those conditions which affect the young children. There are those conditions which affect the adolescents and the youth, and there are those conditions which affect the elderly. So it cuts across all age brackets. Because the children, we call them neurodevelopmental disorders. They only affect children. Yes, when you come to the youth, on that, sometimes you can say they are more affected with the substance use than the other group.
Mwena-ini wake, Jamila Angela uria ni murugamiriri munene Golden Life Recovery Center ni orite thirikari irorekere thogora wa kurigita mirimo ya meciria mathibitari-ini kuona andu aingi mari na mathina maya no makaremwo ni guthie gwetha motungata ma urigitani-ini wagi wa mbeca.
Suicide in Kenya is not a criminal offense because we actually acknowledge that suicide is a disease. Mental health is a disease. So suicide, we are supposed to those people to help them. They are not arrested anymore. And even if people call police on someone who's attempted suicide, they don't take them to the cells anymore. They're supposed to be taken to the hospital. And even those who don't know, maybe they take them to the cells. So when such a case is reported, they are normally taken back to the hospital. So no one is being arrested.
Anyiti itemi matiganite maugite kwaririria mathina ma kimeciria kuri muingi no guteithiriria makiria hari kunina thina uyu o hamwe na kurutithia wira watho wa ugima mwega wa kimeciria gatagati ka mangi.
It touches every household and every home in our country. It is real and people need to come out and be treated. The ones who are in depression, they should go and seek help.
I believe first by enacting decriminalizing suicide, that was a plus in the government. We have the mental health bill. Currently we have the counseling and psychological board, which it regulates the psychologists and the counselors who are working in the mental health field.
Kitu inachangia, it's all about drugs. Drugs imekuwa escape route for many youths, especially the ones who go searching for jobs, and maybe they find challenges, or back home kuna challenges, they learn into drugs.
Hadwini Hakameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Nduta wa Buthia.